Hello everyone and welcome to this tutorial. In this video we will guide you through the process of managing dine-in customers in Poshier. To serve walk-in customers, go to the Dine-in section and choose a table for them. The number in the bottom right corner indicates the number of available seats at the table, while the number in the top left corner shows the table name assigned to it. Tap the table to reveal a prompt for the number of guests for the first time. Enter the number and tap the Set button. You can start entering the food order now, or you may tap the Prepare Table for 2 Guests button and come back to take their order later. Let's tap the Prepare Table for 2 Guests button for now. As you can see, the table has changed to red, indicating that it is occupied. Notice that the number in the bottom right indicates the time since we tapped the Prepare Table button, providing extra information. To order food for the guests, tap the table and select items from the menu on the right panel. For example, tap the tea item, choose the variant and tea selection, then tap Save to add it to the table order. As you can see, the tea item with the selected variant and tea is now displayed. Let's add another items to the table order. Finally, it's important to tap the Confirm Order button to send the order to the kitchen. As you can see, additional information is displayed here, indicating you have ordered 4 items and 0 have been served. Let's tap Table 2 again. There's a status label next to each item. Normally, after you send them to the kitchen, the status is set to Wait. When the chef begins cooking an item, for example, the T-bone steak, they will tap the item on the kitchen display, changing the status in the table's order to Cook. When the item is ready, the chef will tap the Complete button on the kitchen display, signaling all iPad units that the food is ready to serve by flashing the corresponding table. Let's tap the flashing table. Notice that the status has changed to Ready. Tap it to set the status to Served, and then serve the dish to the table. If you made a mistake, tap again to undo. Finally, when the table is ready for billing, tap the table and then the button in the top right corner. Tap the Checkout and Print Bill button. A bill will be printed. Show it to the table. Tap the Pay button if they are paying by cash, or tap the Card button and present the card reader to them. Please consult the PayPal and Zettel card reader setup in the tutorial section for card payment. Once the bill is settled, the table will change back to light brown, indicating that it is open for the next customer. That's it! I hope this tutorial has effectively guided you through the steps of managing dine-in customers. See you in the next video. Goodbye!